Mr. Chair, I think naanay objection. So why are you deciding on this? You are just a presiding officer in
I
this
am just
plenary.
the presiding
Yes,
officer.
Mr. Chair, you are
You
just
are
a
out
presiding
of-
officer.
you are out
here.
of
No.
order.
You
You
are
are
just
out
a
of
presiding
order.
officer here, Mr. Chair.
You are out of order. I am the presiding officer and I declare you out of order.
No, you cannot decide in this plenary,
No,
Mr. Chair.
cannot
It's
do
the
that. You are
majority
out of
who
order.
decides here in the
You
plenary,
are
Mr.
out
Chair.
of order.
You are being partial
Out of
already, Mr.
order.
Chair.
You are out of order. We have proper remedies. You can appeal. You can go to the DIG, whatever body you want to go to. But that is my prerogative as presiding officer to set order in this
Mr. Chair,
body.
there's an objection, sir. There should be a division of the House because there's an objection, di ba? It should be decided by the body, then we vote it out. Dili na isa ka katao ang mo decide on it because we are collegial body. It should be like that, Mr. Chair, right?
That is my decision. The body will discuss that. Anyway, you will have a chance to... Why are you afraid to discuss that?
We're not afraid, Mr. Chair, but we should follow the process, Mr. Chair. It should be the
It has
body
been
should
long
decide.
pending.
Only one person will decide.
It has
Una
been
na
long
mahita ko
pending.
perminti, Mr. Chair.
Good, if it has
We
been-
lead by example, Mr. Chair.
Because we have set 60 days to more or less let the committee act on it, but the committee has not so far satisfactorily provided this body with the proper information. That is why I am calling that back to the plenary so that everybody will know what is happening. But you can decide later on to approve or disapprove that request. But as far as the referral is concerned, to my mind, my personal opinion, it is always the committee that acts on whether to approve or disapprove the request of the mayor. But as far as the manner that we will conduct the business here, I think that we have provided a 60-day period, and the provision that the majority decides whether to call that back is a superfluous provision that has nothing to do with that, because that will defeat the purpose of setting the period for 60 days.
So,
That will defeat the purpose for sitting, and that is my opinion.
Yes.
And you can question my opinion with the proper authorities. You can even go to court or
Yes.
wherever. But that is my provision, that is my opinion, that is my interpretation of our rules.